Good morning, day 3. Brought the chipper out here. Gonna suck to drag that thing back here, but oh well. So I'll give you a kind of a review of what we did yesterday, which is all the way up through here. And we're gonna have to drag that wood chipper all the way up here. Far back as we can. Pick this up some more. That's today's chore right there. You hear deer running around, cleaning up this big mess. Logan's not here yet. Hopefully he'll be here soon. I'll start getting this as much as cut up as I can so we can get it cleaned up. Awesome. Picked up. The mammoth pile is gone. I got a migraine the size of the Grand Canyon. But the mammoth pile is gone. Now if I can just somehow manage to get someone in here to bring some gravel, I got it made. One more weekend and I'd be ready to put up a small cabin. But it's all gonna get carried in because I ain't got no damn gravel. Gotta get a hold of somebody to bring gravel in, and they're all too busy. Look at all that wood. All that came from right here. It's a lot of wood. A pile there. And there's still a long way to go. My nephew helped me drag the chipper out here. But now, it'll start, it'll run for a little bit, and then it turns off. Then she's off for about 20 minutes. So I don't know what the hell's up with that. I'll have to figure that one out. I mean, you got a lot done, but all in all, kind of a crappy day. Nice though out here. Really? Gotta be a pig? So, it's work in progress. Not bad for 3 days worth of work though. Over and out.